Hello, bird lovers and wildlife photographers. Today, I'm taking you on a journey to discover the world's most stunning birds. Ready your lenses, because here are the top 5 birds you simply must capture. Number 5 on our list is the resplendent quetzal. Found in the cloud forests of Central America, this vibrant green and red bird is a true spectacle. Its long tail feathers almost look like they're floating through the air. Flying in at number 4 is the majestic African grey parrot. Native to the rainforests of West and Central Africa, this intelligent bird is known for its striking grey plumage and bright red tail. A true gem for any wildlife photographer. Our number 3 spot goes to the exotic blue jay. Found in